The benefits of yoga for your health. Yoga is an ancient practice that has become increasingly popular in the modern world. It is a form of exercise that involves stretching and holding various poses, and it has a range of physical and mental health benefits. It can help improve flexibility, strength, and balance, as well as reduce stress and anxiety. Yoga can improve physical health in a variety of ways. It increases flexibility, which can help reduce the risk of injury. It also strengthens the muscles and joints, which can help improve posture and reduce back pain. Additionally, it can help improve balance, coordination, and breathing. Yoga can also have a positive effect on mental health. It can help reduce stress and anxiety, as well as improve mood and concentration. It can also help to increase self-esteem and self-confidence, and can even help to reduce symptoms of depression. Yoga can also help to improve overall well-being. It can help to reduce fatigue and improve energy levels, as well as help to improve sleep quality. Additionally, it can help to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Yoga is a safe and effective form of exercise for most people. However, it is important to talk to your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have any existing medical conditions. Additionally, it is important to practice yoga with a qualified instructor to ensure that you are performing the poses correctly. Yoga is a great way to improve physical and mental health. It can help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve flexibility and strength, and increase overall well-being. However, it is important to talk to your doctor before starting any new exercise routine, and to practice yoga with a qualified instructor.